Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Ajawi TV slash Ajawi family. Guys, so today is the second day since our office, since we've occupied our office space. You saw me doing the renovation over the weekend, and I have actually started to occupy the space, and I'm just doing some work. I do have a client that I'm dealing with. I'm supposed to be doing a design for, but I wanted a topographic survey for that particular job because the land is sloping towards the front of the property. He had thought that it was flat, or they told me, hey, it's flat, but it's not really flat. When I went there, the land is sloping towards the front of the property, so therefore I need a topographic survey to account for that, and then I can then start the design process. So whenever you come to me guys with jobs and you tell me, hey, you know, the land is flat, I don't believe you. To be honest, I don't believe you, because what you consider as flat, I have to consider. As well. So I have this is one set of drawings printed for one client. I'm supposed to take a drawing to the Parish Council for just check. So I'm supposed to take this set of drawings to the Parish Council today. It's a set that I actually submitted over there before. This particular person, they bought a property. It was an existing building. There was an existing building on the property, but they had built, towards the back before, right? The developer, through, I think, they actually built closer to the front, right? But the thing is, the pit is really close to the building. Additionally, the council is now saying that, hey, the pit can't be so close to the building. but that was how it was done from the initial stage. So therefore we don't really have any control over that. So I have to explain that to them so that they can know what to do, right? Because it's not really our fault. We aren't. It's not like we decided to do that. It was a situation where the building was already there, and we just extended out, right? So we just added some rooms above. The ground floor was initially what was designed and approved, and they bought it, right? But yeah, it was a scheme that he had bought into, and now he's just expanding on it. So we now have to take that into consideration. I had actually spoken to them before, but the technician that went over there once the drawing was printed big didn't explain that we had spoken to them about this before. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a letter and attach to it to state that the entire ground floor is existing. It's an existing building that was purchased through, I think, housing agency, or the scheme was approved, and that was how it was purchased, and they are not extending forward at the moment. What they're doing is going up. Everything on the ground floor, including the sewage system, remains the same. Alright, so therefore they should take that into consideration, alright? Because we can't really change that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do a letter, attach it to it, and then yeah, see where it goes from there. Yeah. Anyways, let's get this thing going. Let's get this thing done and out of the way. I'll pack up this and head to Spanish Town Parish Council. Drop this off, get it looked at, and then head back. Here